Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters. I hope that you are well. For me, alhamdulillah. Today, I will explain you, I will show you what is the class and the object. So let's start. The class, you can see it as a template. That is a template that's common between some things. For example, the cat and the dogs have some common between them. The two are animal. Then you can use, for example, class animal. Another example, the things that's common between me and you and other people in this world, we are person. Okay? That is a definition of class. You can say it like this. I have, I think, talked before in the first video, the class have some visibility, and I don't enter in this detail because we don't need it at this moment. You must know also, if you want to create a class, the name of this class must begin by uppercase. Also, I have said this before. And the name of your file must be the same with the name of your class. Okay, it's very important. Now, I will create, for example, the class person. So let's start like this. I will use the keyword class. Okay, and here I will use class person. I will open curly brackets and we close curly brackets always. And here I will add some variable. For example, age, for example, int age equal 23 and string for the first name equal Faisal or Faisal. Okay. Now, if I want to use this class, I must create an object. An object, you can see it as a cake that is go out from the template. Okay, you have a template, you put inside it some ingredient as variable as what you want, and if you want to get something from this template, you must put it inside the oven and you get the cake, and you will use the cake. You will not use the template. Okay, you will eat the cake. Okay, it's the same thing here, very same thing. So to use the class person, I will use here outside the class, of course. I will use this construction. I use the name of my class. I will get the variable person in lowercase. It is not the class, of course. And here, person, I will use a new operator. I have used it for the list and hash map. Do you forgot? No, I know. So here I will also use the name of the class. I will open parentheses and I will close them and semicolon. Now, if I want to show or display the value of the variable age or first name, I will use the name of the class system dot the name of the variable. It's very simple, like this. Out return. Here age is the name of the class person dot age. Let's see now. Good. Okay, it's same thing for the first name. Now I want to know if the age is higher than 20 or 18 to test something in my class. Here I will use some new thing that is called method. We have used method here, for example, println. It's a method. And for my class, I will use, for example, method that check, for example, if the age is higher than 18. It's very simple. Okay, then I can put public here, and after this I will write the type of a return of my method. What is the type? You have a choice. It depends of your method, of course. For me, I will use here boolean to check if the age is higher than 18 or no, because I will return only two values, true or false. If I want to, for example, to test or to check if the first name begin by a character, or the first name contain at least two characters, I will also use boolean, and I will also use, for example, a string as type of return. Okay, and here I want to only check if the age is 18, then I will use boolean, and I will give the name of this method. For example, is student. Okay, and here I always open curly brackets and I close for each method. Now I will make the test. If age higher or equal 18, I will make here the new thing. I will show you the type of return with the keyword return. Return true. That means when I enter here, I will return this type and the result is true. Else, return false. Okay? Now I will check here if the age, if this person is student or no. How to check it? I will just type here system.println. I will put here in comments. Person is a student, and here I will call the method for the class person. It's very simple. Just type the name of your class, the variable of course, dot the name of your method, and here the method is student, but don't forget here the parentheses, but because it is method, it is not a variable. And let's see the result. True. If I change, false. As you can see, it's very easy. Okay. What you can get also, you can add, for example, some another method, other variable, what you want. And I repeat, the first thing that you must put the name of the class must be the name of your class. It will be the same. Your class must begin, the name of your class must begin with uppercase, and it can contain some variable and some method, Each method has his type of return, and to use the class or to create an object, you must use the name of the class, and you will use a variable for this name, and you will use a new operator. After this, use the name of the class. Okay, and after this, you can use the variable of your class and the method inside this class with this object person. Okay, I hope that we have now understand what is the class and what is the object, because we use them a lot of when we begin in next video, inshallah. Yes, in this video, in development of the studio, because very important. I have finished the basic concept of Java. I don't enter in the detail. It's very light what I have give you for about Java, because this concept of class and Java, if I enter inside them, I will not finish the video. It is about another course of Java developer. Okay? If I have time, I will make the course about this, but it will be very long and very in detail. Because we have visibility, we have interface, we have a lot of things. Okay, we have class abstract of if you enter Sharabia, Ela Chekchuka. So see you in next video, inshallah, to see how to install Android Studio and to begin to start the first application for Android. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if it's the first one to see my course. And I'll tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.